Today we are going to study on the topic of NumPy Basic. NumPy is a Python package which stands for Numerical Python. This was created in 2005 by Travis Oliphant. Using NumPy, we can perform the following functionalities. Number one is mathematical and logical calculations on array. Number two, Fourier transformation and routines for shaping manipulation. Number three, it has built-in functions for linear algebra, random number generation. Fourth number, used for scientific calculations. Fifth number, it is faster than Python list. Sixth number, it is fast because it is associated with C programming. Now, NumPy is often called as alternate of MATLAB, a programming platform designed especially for engineers and scientists for data analysis, developing algorithms, create modules and application etc. NumPy is used with packages like SciPy means scientific Python and matplotlib library means plotting library, and this make it capable to replace MATLAB. Now in NumPy, one dimensional array is referred to as vector, two dimensional array is referred to as matrix, and uh, three dimensional array is referred as tensor. Some important notes for NumPy. Listen carefully. NumPy package is used in almost all numerical computation using Python, and it provides high performance vector, matrix and higher dimensional data structure for Python. It is implemented in C and Fortran. That's why it is much faster than Python inbuilt function. All the elements of NumPy are of same data type. Remember this point. We can use only homogeneous element in NumPy. Now we can perform all the operation of NumPy in coding environment. Let's move to the coding environment. Now we are creating a NumPy array one dimensional, that is vector. For creating NumPy array, first we have to make one new Python file like numpy dot py. Py is its extension. Now we have successfully created numpy file. After that, we have to import numpy. Import numpy as np. Here, after that, let's create an array. Array contains element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 here. Only the NumPy array contains a homogeneous elements here. Now my array is equal to np dot array numpy dot array a. A is our here array. Now we have successfully created a NumPy array. For printing this, print my array. Here, and after running this, here's the NumPy array is successfully created. Let us check is this array is NumPy or not. For this we have to check the type. Print type of my array here. After running the program, see here. Class, this is a NumPy array. Now, by using shape function, it helps to get the number of rows and a column in an array. Now, print my array dot shape here. After that, we run the program. See here. There are 8 rows and 0 column because there is no other items here in this section after comma. So it indicates 0 column and 8 row. See, 1, 2, 3. Here are 8 rows. Now we want to check the dimension of this NumPy array. Like this, print my array dot d type. Now and dimension. For checking the dimension of the NumPy array, we use ndim function. After running this program, see, this is a one-dimensional array. Now, for knowing the data types of NumPy, we use dtype, like print my array dot d type means to know the data type used in this NumPy array. Like here, see, integer 32-bit. We have used all integer here. That's why it is showing integer data type. For cross-checking, we are using here a float variables here 1.2, 3.4, 5.6, 7.8, 9.8 here. Now we are using here a float variable. Now after running the program, see here the output of the data type is float here. Again, the number of rows is 5 and the column is 0. Our NumPy array is here. Now, again the dimension of the NumPy array is 1. Now we perform indexing and slicing in this NumPy array here. For performing indexing and slicing, we first understood the indexing. Indexing means accessing the particular element from the NumPy array. For this, we can use print my array is a NumPy array. My array is a NumPy array. We are accessing a particular element like I am accessing third position element here. Now I have successfully accessed 7.8 here. 0, 1, 2 and the third position is here 7.8. Now I am performing here slicing in a NumPy array. Slicing means that accessing a set of element from a NumPy array. For this I can use print my array is my NumPy array. Now I am using start position 0 from 0 to third here. I am using third here. It will get the elements from 0 to 2 only, not include third position. Now, while running this program, see here, a block of elements are here in output. Now, we have successfully performed a slicing as well. If I want to perform here 5 with step 2, here. Now the element at 0 position, after that third position. Now here I have done 5 here. After the running program, 5 is out of bound of axis. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again I am adding one element here, 8.9 here. Now after doing this, see here, the output is 1.2 at 0th position. After that, first position is skipped and second position here 5.6 is output. Again third position is skipped and fourth position is skipped and fifth position is here output. Now this one is start value, this one is end value, and this one is step. You can use one as well here, anything you want. If I use 3 here only 2 output, 0th position and after that third position. Now we have successfully performed indexing and slicing here. Now we are performing a NumPy array through user input. For this, firstly I have to import a NumPy. Import NumPy as NP. Now first create a empty list here. Now we are asking a user to enter the size of array. Now for this, n is our size of array. Int input enter the size of the array here. After that, we have user have entered the size of array. Now we are using for loop for I in range n. For I in range n, we are inputting the value is equal to input enter number. We are inputting a number. Now again we are appending this to list. A dot append value. We have appended the value here. After that, we are creating a NumPy array. My array is equal to np dot array a here. Now value value here. Now we have created a NumPy array. Now we want to print this NumPy array. Print my array here. Now after running the program here, enter the size of array. I want to enter 4 element in this array here. Enter number. First number I want to enter 23. Second number I want to enter 45. Third number I want to enter 67. Fourth number I want to enter 78 here. The NumPy array is successfully created with 4 element here. Now here we are creating an one-dimensional array with step 2. For that, first import NumPy as np. Now after that we are creating array like np dot a range 0 to 12 with step 2 here. We are creating. Now this means that we are creating a one-dimensional array with step 2. This one is start position, this one is ending position, and with step 2 we are creating a one-dimensional array here. Now print array here. After running the program, see here, first 0, then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here 12 is not, up to 12 means 2 step before 12, so that's why 10 is printed here. Now we are using a line space function here. This is a NumPy function that generate an array of evenly spaced number over a specific range. For this, we are using here np dot line space. Line space here. We are from 0 to 12 we are creating 20 elements inside the array here. Now this one is here start position, this one is ending position, and this last one is the number of element you want to insert in an NumPy array. Now after executing this program here, see the NumPy array is successfully created with 20 elements. Again, we are creating a simple uh, NumPy array range to 12 with 2 steps. Now we are performing a delete operation in an array. For this, we have created a NumPy array. Now we use a delete function to perform deletion in an array. For this, we can use print np dot delete. Suppose I want to from which array you want to delete. Array name is NumPy array name is array, comma which position I want to delete. Third position element. So after printing here, third position element is successfully deleted. 0, 1, 2, third position is 6, so 6 is successfully deleted. If you want to delete more than one elements from this array, now you can use which element you want to delete. I want to element first position element, third position element, and fifth position element. Now after running the program, see here. First position element is 2, which is successfully removed. Third position element is 6, which is again successfully removed. And fifth position is 10. 10 is also removed here. Only 3 elements are remaining here. That's all for